Hi everyone, I am Dr.Saritha Prem, Director of Amritha Surabhi Ayurveda Siddha Hospital. So today I am going to give you some information about dandruff. So the intention of my videos, first I want to tell you, that is to give you a good knowledge about the common diseases that prevails around us. So dandruff is a very common condition irrespective of ages, that is even in small kid to an adult we can see this condition. So what is dandruff? Dandruff is a condition where the skin on the scalp will flake. So this we can see in many ages, even for, as I told you already, even in kids also we can see this condition. It will be formed even in underlying certain diseases. So what are the causes of dandruff? So usually people say, believe that dandruff will come due to only due to lack of oil and all. Yeah, that's one of the cause, but there are some specific causes for the dandruff. The first important cause is anxiety or stress. Our daily stressful life is one of the main cause, and the other one is allergic reaction. Excess uses of oils, excess use of hair products like shampoo, soap and everything, and other chemicals, and also lack of oil on the scalp. And even the main reason is the fungus that there are certain fungus which is normally lying in our scalp. It will be normally present, but when it is getting excess, it leads to this type of conditions. And also some sort of vitamin deficiency like vitamin B, and also hormonal changes, hormonal imbalance, and certain underlying diseases all leads to dandruff. So what are the presenting symptoms? What the patient is presenting here? They used to come to the OP and they used to say, I am having severe itching on the scalp. There will be, when I itch, I can feel that a white color, small scales are appearing, and also I have great hair loss, sometimes reddishness, and even they will be having the dandruff in a severe stage. The dandruff we can see on the eyebrows and eyelashes and all. These are some of the presenting symptoms, and now we have to move how we can diagnose this in Ayurvedic aspect. So in Ayurveda we call it as Dharunaka. So Dharunaka is mainly due to the imbalance of Kapha and Vata dosha. So I told you already, the three doshas must be in a balanced stage in our body. So when the this three doshas is getting imbalanced, it will lead to many diseases. So here also Kapha and Vata dosha imbalance is a main reason. So as per Ayurveda also, the reasons are exposure to extreme dryness, cold atmosphere, and also uses of certain chemicals, and even like the underlying diseases we can see dandruff. I told you, like diabetes, Parkinsonism, and AIDS, cancer, all conditions, psoriasis, all we can see excess production of dandruff. So this all the reason is the fungus, that is mainly Malassezia fur and Pterosporum fungus, which lies on our scalp, will increase. So in Parkinsonism patient, typically we can see they will be having excess production of dandruff. It is because of this fungus, that is Pterosporum fungus, is getting increased on the scalp. That's the reason for the excess production of dandruff in such cases. So according to the science, that is Ayurvedic science, we have to balance these doshas which is already imbalanced. So Nidana Parivarjana is a main treatment line which we follow. So in order to do the Nidana Parivarjana, whatever causes I told, we have to find it and we have to rectify. One of the main mode of treatment. And the next one is, many people use oil in an improper way on the scalp. They usually already we have a sebum secretion on our scalp. So we must maintain the oil balance in order to keep our scalp clean. So first of all, you have to check out your hygiene. Very important. Scalp hygiene is important, that you have to change your towels weekly once. Don't exchange your towels or comb with others. And also the food and water is very important. You have to take a lot of fruits, especially which are rich in vitamin C and vitamin B. You have to take a lot of fruits, vegetables, and drink plenty of water. That's very important. Try to avoid uses of alcohol, even smoking and other junk foods or deep fried food items. Try to avoid it, so that to an extent you can care your hair a little. And also the way you apply oil is very important. When you apply oil on the scalp, you must know how to apply it. Many people, what they do is they used to apply the oil completely on the head and they will keep for half an hour. No use. When you apply, you have to apply to the scalp, and each line you have to take and just you have to give a massage with the fingertips. The oil must be a little lukewarm, will be giving a miraculous result for this dandruff. For that, you have to heat the oil in a double boiling method. That you have to take a bowl of hot water, then this oil you have to pour in a small bowl, and then you keep in that hot water and make it heat. That is called as double boiling method of heating. So these are the conditions where we have to follow how to apply the oil. So this heated oil you have to dip your fingertips and you have to give a scalp massage. And then you can wait for half an hour. Any oil which you are using, even if it's a plain coconut oil or whatever hair oils which you are using. Some of the classical products which we say in Ayurveda is Durdurapatradi, Keram, Neelibringadi, all we used to suggest for dandruff and hair fall. So these type of oils you can take under the guideline of an Ayurvedic doctor, and you can use it weekly thrice. Don't use more oil on your scalp, because dandruff is mainly of two types. One is oily and dry dandruff. Oily dandruff usually is mainly because of excess application of oil and excess sebum already that is on our scalp. Excess sebum production. So don't apply more oil, and also lack of oil is also another reason. So once in alternate days you have to apply very little quantity of oil on your scalp. Don't pour it completely on the head like this and wait. It's very important to know. So, and the next one is that some of the tips I will say how you have to follow weekly once at least. See, aloe vera is one of the best drug which you can use here. We all know aloe vera is having lot of qualities, that is the best antifungal, antiviral, antibacterial action, and is the best use in cosmetic products. Widely used in even all type of skin products. We can see the base aloe vera. So this one you can take, you can cut it, and you can just take that gel alone, wash it properly, and you can squeeze it and take that juice, and then you can apply it with your oil. Just combine your oil also, just mix with your oil 2-3 drops, and then you just apply all over the scalp. Weekly once if you do like this, definitely you will get rid of dandruff. And the other method of using aloe vera is you can use it with coconut milk. So some patients used to present me, when they are applying aloe vera alone, they used to get some dryness. So you can, in such cases, you can use coconut milk as a base, and you can mix both and apply on your scalp. And the other thing is that try to avoid uses of shampoos and soap on your head. Because if you are using such products, definitely it all contains chemicals which is harmful for your hair growth. So try to avoid that, and just you have to move to the nature. See, our nature is having lot of providing us a lot of methods for our hair care. You can use shikakai powder, or you can use green gram powder to do your head wash, and some of the leaf which we can squeeze it and keep, and you can use that extract to wash your scalp, like hibiscus, tulsi, and also the neem leaf. These all leaves you can just take a handful and just squeeze it and keep in a little 1 liter water, and then you can make it hot under the sunlight, not under the flame. And then you can use this water to wash your scalp. It's a very good cleanser and also very good for your hair, and also it's very cooling also. So these are some of the important information and tips which you have to follow in dandruff. So if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, share this video, and definitely you can join our WhatsApp link. Hospital WhatsApp link is given, and through that you can ask us your doubts personally, and please post your comment in the comment box, and definitely I will answer you. So next time we will come in with a new video.